All right. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Okay, this live event we are going to be going over some of Jonard Tools products to help you pull and run cable through a warehouse or anywhere where there's some metal beams or metal studs that you might want to latch onto. So before I get going here, a couple of things. With me today, I have Mike Baptiste, who's running the video here. You might see me interact with him. And I also have Carmen Chung, our marketing manager, who will be dealing with questions and comments that may come up during the event and pass them along to me. Last thing, please take a moment, like our Facebook page, and go to jonard.com/live, where you can enter a contest where we will be giving away an RDT 18K telescopic pole right here. Okay, so with that housekeeping done, let me get started. I'm going to start with our cable caddy. The reason for starting here is you want something to hold your reels and spools. So down here, Mike, here we have the CC-2721 cable caddy. It is made from steel, tubular steel. The steel is 7/8 inch in diameter. The cable caddy can hold spools from up to 20 inches in diameter, 17 inches in height. The center bar is made of solid steel and is 5/8 inch of a diameter. Any spool pretty much will fit any spool because while it's small, it's solid steel and it'll support up to 100 pounds. Okay. It also, lastly, has 4 rubber feet to keep it from marring any surface if you're inside a home or something and you got pull cable, or if you're on somebody's nice finished floor, you don't want to damage it. One last thing on the cable caddy, we also have the CC-2721 WS, which actually has a wheel, 2 wheels to allow you to basically pull this along. Okay, and it has a strap that you can grab onto to drag it with you if you don't want to lift and carry your spool like this. So it's a handy little feature. All right, obviously you just lift up and it collapses. Let me put that back. So that's the cable caddy. Next thing I want to talk to you about is the RDT 18K. So this telescopic pole is made of fiberglass and has a polyester resin, I believe it is, coating on it. It is 33 inches in length, weighs about 2.5 pounds, and can extend up to 18 feet. I'll just extend up a couple of sections here. There you go. So that's 3 sections. There's a total of 6 sections to it. The RDT 18K has a nice handy carry strap that frees up your hands as you're going to a job site, so I can hold my cable caddy or carry other tools with you to go along. On the strap is a pouch that holds 2 hooks. Okay, we have a K-type hook which you can use for pushing or pulling a cable back to you. You got that, Mike? All right. This K-hook also has a hole in it, so you could, depending on the cable, you could strip it and wrap it around there, get the conductors on there to use for pulling. We also have a C-hook in it for just general purpose hooking stuff. On the C-hook, we have an adapter here that allows the pole to get into smaller spots if this platform on here, got it? Yep. If the platform is too big. So I have one set up right here. There you go. So that's what it would look like. On the RDT18K, I have an adapter that is used with our magnetic cable holders. This is the MF45, and here is our magnetic cable holder. Okay, these magnetic cable holders, the MF-25, feature a neodymium magnet, if I pronounce that correctly, and it has a little plastic piece here that allows you to use either cable tie, like I have here, or a Velcro strap as a loop to hold your cables in place. We sell the MF25 in a pack of 25. It's MF-25/25. Okay, so the way it works with the adapter, you just simply snap it in, run it to a beam, or I'm going to do a little demo here in just a second on the ductwork in our room here. And it's really simple to use. So here, let me pull out some cable. There's some RG6 cable I happen to have. We'll pull out some. Let's see. Okay, that should be enough. I have a magnet sitting on my cable caddy just so I know where it is. And all I'm going to do is just put it on the cable here like this. Put it about halfway, and that's probably about right there. Okay. And I'm just going to start extending the pole. I'm going to be careful though, because I don't want to pull the magnet out of the adapter. But basically I can do this from the ground. Here, let me move over, Mike. I'll get into position here. All right. And I'm just going to keep going up. There we go. And almost there. Okay. Just unclip it like that. So that's one. I can obviously keep going with a whole bunch of these magnets and do a whole run with it. Oh, here's another one. Snap it in. Put the cable through and just guide it up. The neat thing with this is I'm doing this from the ground. I don't have a ladder. I'm not going up and down, up and down. It's at the very least, it's a nice little safety feature. It's a way to run cable quickly and easily. You can put more than one cable in there. I'm just doing it just for demo purposes here. Those magnets will hold up to 15 pounds. So those are the products that we wanted to show you today. So if there are any questions, please throw them my way. How are we doing, Carmen?
Good. In 1 second. This is a delay.
Right. Okay, first question I have here. For the cable caddy, what is the outer diameter of the silver rod the spool slides onto? As I was saying when I was talking about the cable caddy, the center rod is 5/8 inch in diameter and is solid steel and can carry up to 100 pounds. Great, next question here. What is the largest, again about the cable caddy, what is the largest diameter spool the cable caddy will hold? The cable caddy can hold up to 20-inch diameter spool. Otherwise, anything bigger is going to hit the bar down here at the bottom. Okay, and that's its limitation, as well as it's going to hit the bar up here. So that's its limiting factor. One more question on the cable caddy. Oh, I didn't see it, Carmen. On the cable caddy, how wide of a roll will it handle? Okay, so I'll take that to mean is how wide or how tall of a roll. So the maximum it can hold is 17 inches. This roll is about 12 or 13 inches in height if I was to stand it up. All right, here's a question regarding the RDT 18K. What is the length of the rod fully collapsed? The rod is 33 inches fully collapsed. It's really quite compact for an 18-foot rod. Can the rod be used to push wire, or does it tend to collapse in that motion? Okay, great question. So when you extend out each section, you want to make sure you pull and twist to lock them in place, to make them tight, so you shouldn't have any problem pushing or pulling a cable, whether it's over acoustical ceiling or whatever your case may be, a crawl space. You shouldn't have any problem with it prematurely collapsing on you. How much weight will the pole hold? I wouldn't put anything more than about, because it's not really about weight, the pole holding weight, but you wouldn't want to tie anything on there that weighs more than a couple of pounds on the end, because it's not meant for this motion, it's meant for forward and back motion. How much weight will one magnet support? Okay, so on the MF25, each magnet is rated for up to 15 pounds. Okay, looks like that's all the questions, Carmen? Okay, it looks like that's all the questions we have right now. But if you think of anything, please go right ahead and post it on there. We have people watching, and we'll be able to answer any question that might come up with. So let me go through the closing. Please take a moment to like our Facebook page, okay, and go to jonard.com/live to enter our contest to win an RDT 18K. So with that, let me close by saying, please everyone stay safe, and thank you for joining us today.